Whop clips are a great way to earn extra income. So, how much money can you actually earn from Whop clips? So, if we go to the content rewards section, we can see all of the different offers, and you can even sort by the most paid out, highest CPM, or even newest. For this example, we're going to just click on a random one. For example, Ambro clips. You're going to be getting $3 per 1,000 views by clipping Ambro. So this is pretty big if you are able to do very viral clips. So you always want to find the most viral moments of their videos and then clip that. Because remember, you only have a few seconds before the viewer decides to swipe away or not. And that's really going to make or break your video and how much views you get. And that in turn is going to make you as much money as you can because you're paid by how many views. In this example, it's going to be $3 per 1,000 views. And there's some other ones here. For example, this one's going to be $1 per 1,000 views. Some of them can be even higher, some can be lower. But pick and choose the ones that you want, and you can make a ton of money by clipping WAP.